What's good YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to talk about Premiere's newest version 14.4 and one of my favorite features to detect edit points. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification whenever we share a video. In the timeline, there are clips of 4 different scenes. The scenes are clustered into one because they have been nested. To use this feature, right-click on the clip, move to Scene Edit Detection, and now it's going to give 3 different options. Number 1, apply a cut at each detected cut point. So basically, this is analyzing clips where it thinks it's supposed to have a cut. Let's try it. In between each break, it naturally inserted cuts where the software thinks it's supposed to be. Number 2, create clip marker at each detection cut point. This basically put markers instead of cuts to just show you where the artificial intelligence of the software would have put them. 3, create a new bin of subclips from each detected cut point. So basically, a new bin is created with individual cut clips inside. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.